Hello everyone. So I'm recording my screen from my laptop. I took two trades actually today. I'll explain each and everything. I mean the basic main logic behind these two trades. One, I took my stop loss. In second trade I made profit, and I record my previous trade loss as well. Okay. Quickly, let me show you the trades whatever I have taken today. See, these are the two trades. One, in the morning I have taken call trade. I've taken my call position, and I gave my stop loss in that trade. I will show you. I recorded that video from actually from my mobile. Okay. I could not use my laptop during morning. I was not able to use it. I was outside on my work, so I was recording the video live trade. Live trading video from my mobile. I will. You can watch this. I will add that video at the end of this video. Please don't ignore those videos because you'll learn many things. How I was controlling my emotions when the trade was going in negative. I actually saw 3,600 or 500 rupees profit. From 3,500 to negative, I ended up in giving loss. You could have imagined how my mindset was. Okay, so this is how we have to develop our mindset. This is how. There's no other way. This is the first trade. You can see whatever I marked in the chart. You can see here. Second trade, I took the post put, means after immediately breaking and taking out. After closing my trade, wherever my SL point was there, no, at the same point, you can see at 13:57, I exited my trade with a stop loss. Immediately in the next 3-4 seconds, 13:58, right? On the same candle, I've taken the put side trade. The reason I will tell you the logic behind that. Okay, so in this trade, again, I was waiting for 1:2 risk reward ratio. I strictly managed that. You can see I have marked both the levels, one long position and one short position in the chart for today's chart. Okay, somewhere here, once it you can see this. Okay, whatever I marked here, right? It was not marked now. I marked this level in the morning itself. You can see in my recorded video through from my phone. Okay, you can see that I was clearly telling this. If this level breaks, I will go into put side. I was planning for that. If it takes my SL in the call trade, whatever I marked, I will go to take put side once it retests and breaks this level, selling side. Okay, same thing happened today, but you can see same to same whatever I told in the morning trade, same thing I observed in the second half. Sorry, you can see here. Let me delete. Yes, oh it. Okay, just want to remove this line, but the marking of okay, now it's okay. You can see here this level, the level, it's like 55 450 level, the bank nifty, it somewhere around this candle I exited. Okay, because it hit my stop loss without waiting further. I immediately closed my trade. This is very very important, and because of this I made profit. And I was waiting for the retest, and I could have taken this, but I did not wait for the retest. Immediately I've taken. See the timings, 13:58 I entered into put, and 13:57 below that line I closed my previous call position. Okay, somewhere around 208 price level. After that, see the movement of the price. Once it see, morning I was waiting it will go and hit my target, but it reversed. Then it tried to go back. Once it came to this level, I was in doubt. It may not go. but same thing, it could not reach this level, whatever the morning high it was created, right? I was waiting very difficult, so breakout did not happen. I did not close my trade. Even though I was in profit, I was waiting for my loss only. I mean stop loss. Finally, it hit my stop loss here in this level, 55 450 around. Okay. Immediately, I entered into short trade. I mean, I've taken put with the same quantity. See the moment. There's not even a single green candle. Back to back red candle. You know why it happened? Do you have any idea? See, I'm not saying I'm expert. Whatever I learned, I observed. I'm just expressing my view, my point here. Okay, don't think I'm something like I'm expert and talking like expert. No, no, no. See the moment here. Why actually the reason behind this moment is, see, because of the stop loss trigger. This level somewhere, even I also set my stop loss. Right, I was waiting for this. Like me, many other traders would have set their SL. Once all the SLs started triggering, then right, there will be a panic selling, or automatically system will square off all the position and it will lead to this big move. The point is how I mark this level as a stop loss level, right? So this question is coming to you in your mind, right? This is based on my previous observation or experience. You can see somewhere around how many points I gained, 208, 299, around 99, 90 points, 90 plus, and I made a profit of 6,000 rupees. So after taking out of loss, it's 4,000. Not good. Sorry, not bad for the day. Its brokerage is somewhere at around 166, 160, and I'll get around 4,400 something. That's more than enough. See, sometimes people will struggle to recover the loss, right? Compared to that, it's good, no? And you can see my capital. I started with 22 600 something, and now it is 2700 something. Okay, today. Okay, coming to the logic, I explained almost the first trade logic in the okay, that video is only recorded. There's no voice in that video. Okay, so I'll explain one more thing here. The reason behind these two trades is very very important. Okay, there are many other things, but I'll keep it very simple. Two things I used here in this trade mostly. Three main points. One is CPR, second is EMA, 9 and 20. Third is SL concept, where the SLs could be. Okay, so if you see here the logic of the first trade, whatever I marked in the chart, long position, this is the level. Second candle, I mean 920 candle, right? Wait 1 second. Huge bullish candle, right? After that, you see, if you can see it, the next candle, I mean third candle is inside candle. It's forming. When it was forming inside candle, that time only I was waiting for this trade to go in a bullish side. Okay. Second and third candle, you observe clearly. Second is the big candle, third is inside. After breakout of inside candle, immediately at the closing of inside candle, I took the trade, the long trade, I mean call trade. And it went very well. I was in a profit. It gave me, sorry, it showed me almost 3,600, 500 rupees profit. My target was the next level, whatever I marked in the chart, and this was my stop loss level. Stop loss level was this one, somewhere I marked here, right? So it went till here, but it could not break this level, which was very important level. Again, it was a resistance from pivot. It's a traditional pivot resistance, and there was one more resistance called previous day high. So complete zone, this zone acted as a resistance, and it started coming down. Again started up, going up, but it could not reach that level and break. From there onwards, it came down and took my SL here somewhere. This is my stop loss. So once it broke my stop loss, I reversed my trade immediately because I was much sure about this. Like once it breaks the stop loss, I mean once it takes my stop loss, definitely it will go in the opposite direction. That is what my observation and analysis. And it did the same thing, exactly same to them, whatever I was assuming. It's clear. My observation was once it takes my stop loss, it will change its direction to negative. Okay. So second trade immediately the logic anyway I told because of the CPR level, people might have placed their stop losses there, right? Once it breaks that 450 level, definitely it will lead into more downfall. Same thing happened. So overall today's profit is 4,500 something. So that's of that's all as of today. As of now, for that's all for the today. That's all for today. Sorry, I was thinking something some notification. Okay. See, this week completely I'm busy with my some personal work, and I will be taking and recording that video from my laptop from October first week onwards. Please, be with me till the time. Sorry for that. I will be trying to record the video from my mobile whenever I take trade, and I will upload in the evening every day, whatever it happens. Sometimes I can give voiceover on that, otherwise I'll upload as it is. Please refer. If something needs to be explained, then I will add my voice over there. Okay. So don't miss watching the recorded videos from my mobile. It's very important how I took my trade, how I took my stop loss, and how I was controlling my emotions in the first trade. Again, immediately second trade, what happened, where exactly I took, all those things you can see. Okay, please watch. And also subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm actually new to this YouTube, and I'm planning to come on live and do live trading whenever I get time in YouTube. For that, at least 50 subscribers I need in the beginning to start with. So that's one more request from my side. You can see 43%. I was calculating this. It's not like small amount. Yeah, guys. Okay, you may be knowing this. Somewhere in the second trade, I have taken almost 43.5%. I mean 44 or 43. Let's take 43 only. Okay, हम देखें तो 43% मैंने लिया है सेकेंड ट्रेड में. So you can see this, right? I use 14,600 rupees capital in the second trade with 2 lots, and I made 6,000 something. It's huge, right? But with strict risk reward and money management, guys. Okay, there is nothing like gambling. I'm not doing gambling consciously. I'm deciding my levels, and I'm waiting for those levels, whatever situation it could be, right? I was not closing my trade in between randomly. Okay, so I will add those videos here. Please watch, and please subscribe to my channel and support me. Okay. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow with one more live trade. I'll update you. Don't miss out. Those are very important videos. You will get a lot of learnings from that. If anything you need, please comment right in the comment box. I'll try to answer those queries. Okay. If I miss something, please comment in the comment box. I will just definitely.